Happy Sunday, guys. There have been talks as of late about doing more high-level architecture and design implementation planning, things like that. A lot of people have a pretty good, solid understanding of the Fortinet hardware and how it works, and how to get what you want out of it. But some of the things that people have the most difficulty doing outside of some of the basic nuances is architectural engineering, as far as security engineering, network engineering, but anything that comes with the territory of how do I make the device work with my environment as effectively as possible without having to cause a ton of downtime or anything like that. So this video is just basically a little status update. You can see it kind of in the background. Check this out. I got another camera. Yep. So, as you can see here, I have a whiteboard. It's awesome, right? It's a 7 foot by 4 foot, and it's going to go right here. And what that's going to do is it's going to give me the ability to actually draw things out. Most of us are visual people, right? And having it put out in front of us is the best way for us to learn. So what that's going to do is give us the ability to draw out the design, talk about the issues that may come up with that, and thankfully my consulting and my experience with this, I've come across a bunch of different situations. So we'll have some variety there. We can talk through some things and actually get better at figuring out, where does it make sense to place the FortiGate? What's the best way to do it? I mean, do I need to get it physically in line between this, or can I just do some quick VLAN tagging and logically set it in line? So there's a lot of different paths we can take. A lot of big picture stuff that people just don't visualize immediately. It'll come in handy for the, how do I implement my Azure environment properly? How do I, just however different the situation, you can come across how to do it. So that's going to be a big deal for us. So, very, very excited about that. Because I think that's one of the things that was missing, other than, quality video editing. Most of these are pretty much just a stream of consciousness. I throw a whole bunch of stuff at the wall and hopefully it helps. I got enough space in here. I guess I could build a pseudo studio, but that would take a decent amount of money that I don't have. So anyways, hopefully that excites some of you guys, and the addition of that line of video and that type of content will be beneficial to you all. If there's any scenarios you would like me to draw out first, post them in the comments. This board should be hung up this week. I'm shooting for tomorrow or Tuesday. So hopefully we can start drawing through it and covering our bases. But post your questions below. I'll come up with a checklist of things that we can run through, and that'll be beneficial to you all. Otherwise, you guys have a wonderful Sunday, and I'll see you next time.